Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, my dear Chintos. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. So, vanakkam, everyone. Yes. So, sorry, da, there was a small issue with the stream key, so we had to regenerate it again and then join it. Okay. So, good evening, da. Good evening, good evening, good evening. So, welcome back to it, another cracking session. Today, we are going to talk about a beautiful chapter called circles. Okay, wow. So yes, many students have been asking me, sir, please do the lecture on coordinate geometry. Please circles edunga sir, straight lines, ellipse, hyperbola, please teach pannunga sir, parabola teach pannunga sir. Yes, one after the other, it will be keep coming down. So straight lines mudinchu, adukapram pair of straight lines I have taught, adukapram locus discuss பண்ணியாச்சு, இப்போ circles, adukapram parabola, then ellipse and hyperbola, then we'll start with integral calculus as well. So yeah, yes, very good evening to you all. Very good evening to you all. Welcome. Yes, எப்படி இருக்கீங்கடா? How are you doing, my dear Chintus? Yes, good evening everyone. Good evening. Hope you all can hear me, see me clearly. Yes. Yes, guys, before getting into that, I just want to pitch one small thing da. So as I have been telling you every lecture, there is a free crash course in our JEE Vaathi channel, so named Ignite JEE 2027. So in yesterday's class, and yesterday, day before yesterday, one student who is studying mechanical engineering in NIT Suratkal texted me saying, in the live chat itself, he joined me when I was taking the class. He was saying like, sir, I did not do anything, sir. I was a Vidyal student, and I did attend your Vedantu JEE Vaathi channel lectures, and it was very useful, and I was studying only this thing. I did not do anything other than this, so I was able to attempt the exam very freely, and then I'm in NIT Suratkal Mechanical Engineering. You see now, that is what I'm telling you. Okay, so don't run behind multiple resources. Okay, follow one resource, do it multiple times, kandipa you will get success. So yeah, so that is what I'm telling you. So please do hang on the process till your JEE exam. Don't disturb your mind, don't disturb your process. Okay, so make sure that you're believing in yourself, make sure that you're believing in us. Definitely we will deliver it with the double energy. Unak enna thevayo in the time la what is required, una JEE exam, ungaloda JEE exam ku enna thevo adudha will 110% will justify that da. So please do believe in us. Okay, so see, I'm not telling you this simply. Okay, our seniors are coming and telling us that, sir, this was very useful for us. Okay, so that with that confidence I'm telling you. So definitely make sure that you are subscribing the channel before getting into the what do you say, before getting the free crash course. Please do subscribe the channel. So subscribe, and the free crash course ku eppadi enroll pannanuna, in the video ku keela description link irukunda, and the link click panna, so it will be taking you straight away to the this dashboard. So you can buy now by signing in with your mobile number and OTP da. So you will be getting 24/7 doubt facility. At the same time, all the 3 subjects content, plus you will be having mock tests as well. Okay, well, if you miss your mock test, you can reattempt it. Okay, so whenever you have free time, you can reattempt it down. So yeah, that's it for that's it all about our free crash course da. So now, without any delay, let's get into the show. So before that, I just want to read all the charts da. One nimsham. Chart, how do I read? Yes. Okay. Good evening da Chintu. Good evening da pasangla, Chintu pasangla. Yes sir. See, the problem with you all is that I'll tell you what is the problem, sir. Sir, they are actually we are attending the session, sir, but the thing is that we are not hanging on the process. Sir, nadula oru periya question paatha udane enakku demotivation vandrum, sir. And the question enakku theriyala, sir, eppadi pandradhu enakku theriyala, so demotivate I'll be leaving the class. Appadina pannadinga. See, it's not like ABCD exam, right? So this is kind of okay, difficult exam, world's second toughest exam. ஐடி ஜெய். சரியா சார்? இப்படின்னா சொல்லாதீங்க சார். இப்படி சொல்ல வில் பி demotivated. டேய் தம்பி, see, mains is like very easy exam. I'm talking about advanced exam is world's second largest exam as per the report. People consider it as world's second largest, I mean second toughest exam. So toughest exam na, there will be deep thinking, there will be, there will be lot of questions with so much of calculation, so much of thinking part. Are you getting the point? Sir, அது எப்படி சார் பண்ணிக்கலாம், அது எப்படி சார் பண்ணணும்? சிம்பிள்டா, டெய்லி படிக்கணும், உங்களோட தாட் ப்ராசஸ் பில்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்கடா. கொஸ்டின் எப்படி பண்ணுறது, ஒரு கொஸ்டின் இன் ஆல் பாசிபிள் டைமென்ஷன் எப்படி திங்க் பண்ணுறது, கொஸ்டினுக்கு மேலே கான்செப்ட் எப்படி அப்ளை பண்ணுறது, இது தெரிஞ்சால் போதும். ஸோ நீங்கள் ஏதோ ராக்கெட் சயின்ஸ் பண்ண தேவையில்ல. இட் இஸ் டூவபிள். பீப்புள் ஹவ் பின் டூயிங், யுவர் சீனியர்ஸ் ஹவ் பின் டூயிங். உங்களுக்கையும் கண்டிப்பாக பாசிபிள் ஆயிடும். பட் மெயின்ஸில் ரொம்ப ஜுஜுபி எக்ஸாம், லைக் ஜுஜுபி எக்ஸாம்னா ஈஸிலி யூ கேன் டூ இட். லாஸ்ட் 2 months போதும்டா. 2 to 3 months உங்களுக்கு பேசிக் இருக்கா, okay fine. 2 to 3 months is more than enough to crack mains exam, I mean according to me. Okay, but if you are good at basic, if you are decently performing in your weekend test, so I mean now last 4 months you have, in these 4 months you still can make this happen. I'm not saying that from the scratch if you start within 2 months you can make it. I'm not saying that. Even you don't have anything now, even you did not study properly, if you have proper basics, within 2 to 3 months you still can make it happen by smart work. ஓகேவா? ஸ்மார்ட் ஒர்க் எப்படி பண்ணுறது, எப்படி என்னென்ன சாப்டருக்கு மேலே நிறைய ஃபோக்கஸ் இருக்கணும், என்ன மாதிரி கொஷின் சால்வ் பண்ணணும், ஓகேவா? ஸோ ரிப்பீட்டேட்டட் கொஷின் சால்வ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப் ஆஃப் கொஷின் நீங்கள் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் வந்துடும். அந்த கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ்க்காகவே இந்த ஃப்ரீ கிராஷ் கோர்ஸ் அண்ட் த கண்டென்ட் வி ஆர் டேக்கிங் எவ்ரி சிங்கிள் டே ஃபார் யூ guys. சரியா, ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? ஹாய் லோகேஷ், குட் ஈவினிங் வாரதி. Just I think wrong time da, this is wrong time. People are like in schools it seems. But anyway da, kandipa ungaloda friends kitta share பண்ணுங்க டா. ஃப்ரீ டைம்ல இந்த லெக்சர் பார்த்தா நமக்கு வா அண்ணா வா மாதிரி கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வந்துரும். ஓகேவா? எஸ் சலோ ஓகே, ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? எஸ் சார் எஸ் கைஸ், இன்னைக்கு இந்த சாப்டர்ல what am I going to discuss? இந்த சாப்டர்ல மெயின் திங் I will be talking about equation of circle என்ன, intercepts made by circle என்ன, tangents and normal of a circle என்ன, chord of a circle என்ன, nature of two circles எப்படி இருக்கும், family of circles என்ன, radical axis and radical center and orthogonal circles and few PYQs we'll try to see. Okay va? So this is what the basic content of this chapter is all about. Sariya? So these are very very important subtopics. So first let me discuss what is circle is all about. Sir, circle என்ன sir? Sir, நீங்க yesterday you were discussing about locus, sir, fine. But circle enna, circle is also one type of locus da. Circle is also one type of locus. Eppadi sir? So now let me tell you one point. Yes, let me tell you one simple point. Okay, so this is a circle. How this circle is forming, sir? How this circle is getting formed? Okay, sir, first if I talk about, there is a point called P da. In the point P is moving in a plane. This is the moving point, or a point moving in a plane, and the point or name I'm taking h comma k. This point is moving such a way that it is maintaining an equal distance from a fixed point. Sir, purila sir, inga pari, maintaining a fixed distance from a fixed point. This is a fixed point. I am calling it as C. Our name, let's say a comma b. Okay, why the point na h comma k. We are finding the locus of this guy. So this point is moving such a way that from the fixed point it is maintaining an equal distance. So point inga ponalu center la irundhu, I mean in the C la irundhu in the point oda distance eppa paathalum same ah irukanum, constant ah irukanum. And the constant ah irunda, that will be called as radius. Yes or no da chintu? 110% yes sir. So we call it as a radius. So now how do we derive a formula? How do we derive a formula for circle? Simple sir. Now pathina CP. So Suresh sir enna sonnarda, so the point or the coordinates of the point whose locus to be found should be taken as h comma k. In the point or the locus find out pannikrada, so h comma k I am taking. Okay, by the point or the distance from C is r. Okay va? Ipo mathematical condition enna, kandipa CP is equal to r. CP is equal to r. Yes or no? CP is equal to r is nothing but what sir? Now I am just applying the distance formula, that's it. Distance formula enna sir? H minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r. Now squaring on both side pannanuda. Squaring on both side panna namalukku h minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Correct or not da? Suresh sir ஒரு விஷயம் சொன்னார். என்ன விஷயம்? லோக்கஸ்ல 4 points for locus related problem solve பண்றதுக்கு we all have to follow 4 steps. Step number 1 is taking the point as h comma k, writing mathematical equation, and அதுக்கப்புறம் solve பண்ணணும். solve பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் last stepல h you need to replace with x and y you need to replace with, okay வா, இது என்னடா b தானே இது, okay இது b, okay we need to replace y with what, k. Are you getting the point or not? R square. So this is what the basic equation of the circle. This is what the basic equation of circle. Okay va, in the circle oda center enada a comma b and radius enada, radius is basically r. Yes or no? Yes 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 locus, that is what I have done here. Puridara chintu, super sir, konjam thicka eludunga sir. Sir we cannot see this, can you see this da? Yes or no? Yes sir. Now CP is equal to, this is a mathematical condition, distance formula apply panna namalukku ipdi vandiruchuda. So this is what called as center radius form of a circle. What do you call this da? We call this as a center radius form. So that is what I am discussing now. Center radius form of a circle enna, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Super ana, super super sir. Sir ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுங்க சார், ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் நீங்க ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் மென்ஷன் பண்ணா நமக்கு. If you give an example, we will understand it detailedly, sir. Okay, wow. It's not K. Yes, yes, yes. I have done that. I have done that. Please check. Sir, yeah. You can take any example. Any example. Cool. Okay. Ketan, hi Ketan. Ha. Sir, example, sir. What example, sir? What example? Pathina pari. Sir, x plus 5. Anything. X plus 5 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to 4. Now tell me what is the center for this da? What is the center? Center is going to be what? Minus 5 comma 6. You need to convert in this form da. In the formula convert panni center and radius solano. Okay, what radius enna sir? Radius is basically what the r square na, r square is equal to 4 na, r is equal to 2. Radius one enna da, it cannot be negative, we should take it as positive. Very good sir. So one more example kudunga sir. One more example parra. So 3x plus 5 whole square plus 4y minus 7 whole square is equal to what? 8. Puridara. So what is the radius? Tell me da. First radius solano and center solano. Center enna sir? What is the center here? Sir first center solradhukku we need to take 3 common da. 3 common edutha 5 by 3 ah. Okay va. Are you all clear ra chintu? 3 common edutha we will be getting 3 square outside. 3 into x plus 5 by 3 whole square ulla 4 common edutha y minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 2 root 2 whole square. Super. Tell me, isn't it looking like this form? Tell me that 3 square is 9 sir. 9 x of x minus 16, so y minus 7 by 4 whole square, and this is going to be 2 root 2 whole square. Super ana, super a, super sir. Sir, and a doubt sir, we need to make these two things same sir. Then what we need to write here? We need to write this as what da? Don't write this as 4. Don't write this as 4 da. Don't write this as 4. Then you make this as 3 only. Okay va. Then obviously this is going to be 3 here. This is going to be 9 here. Erase this. And 9 common edutha x minus of minus 5 by 3 whole square. 9 I am taking common. Okay va. 9 common edutha pari 2 by root 2 root 2 by 3 whole square pari 2 root 2 whole square is 8 and 3 square is 9. In the 9 I am shifting to the right hand side. Ipo radius enna, center enna solra. In the circle oda center enna, in the circle oda center enna, center enna minus 5 by 3 comma 7 by 4. Radius enna, okay well, this is the radius. Purida ellarkum 100% clear? 3 by here 3 by here 3 by sir 3 dana idi 3 dana 3 varanum. Okay va, because we took 3 enna sir inga change panle sir. Okay va, tell me. Cool. Yes, so this is what basically the center radius form is all about. Super ana, super a, super. Ha 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 ha. Look at the board everyone. Yes, yes. Now we'll go forward. Now we'll go forward. Condition for general second degree curve to represent a circle. Okay, வா சார் JEE 2028 ரோட் மேப் போடுங்க சார். போட்டுக்கலாடா தம்பி. ரோட் மேப் வேணுமா? ரோட் மேப் இருக்கு. JEE ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி வேணுமா? ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி இருக்கு. PYQs வேணுமா? PYQs இருக்கு. JEE மெயின்ஸ் அண்ட் அட்வான்ஸ் வேணுமா? அட்வான்ஸ் இருக்கு. மெயின்ஸ் இருக்கு. The only thing is நீங்க கண்டிப்பா கன்சிஸ்டன்டா படிக்கணும்னா பண்ணிக்கலாம். கேத்தன்ஜி, thank you for reminding me. Thank you for asking. We'll do that. Don't worry. Very good, sir. Sir, condition for general second degree curve to represent circle. Sir, நீங்க pair of straight lines ல சொன்ன மாதிரி what is the second? See, let us say that ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Da. Let us take the second degree equation as this. Let second degree equation be like this. Yes or no? Sir, circle in the second degree equation, circle represent, I mean in the second degree equation circle aguna condition na. So conditions to represent a circle enadi coefficient. Condition number 1, coefficient of xy should be equal to 0. Yes or no? That is, you can say that is h should not be present there. H should be equal to 0. Second one nada. Second one enna sir? Coefficient of x square should be equal to what? X square should be equal to coefficient of y square. That is, a should be is equal to b and both should not be is equal to 0. Yes or no? A should be is equal to b, both should not be equal to 0. Correct or not? 100% clear, sir. Sir, ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு ஐடியா வந்துடும் சார். எக்ஸாம்பிள் சார், ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுங்க சார். சார் எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு. இப்போ these two are equal is nothing but what I should do? What I should do, tell me. Stanley Anderson. Sir, na 10th la 453. Very good, very good. Congratulations, Rachinto. 453 na very good. Yes or no? Sir, I have one simple question, sir. Sir, இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா 3x square plus ky square plus 4y minus 16 into xy plus 4x minus 6y plus c is equal to 0. This represents a circle. Then find k and lambda values. Find the value of lambda and k. எப்படி சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? சார் சுரேஷ் சார் என்ன சொன்னாடா, this per ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is representing a circle. This is representing a circle என்ன சார்? இப்போ this is representing a circle. Sir, whenever circle representing condition and xy coefficient 0 இருக்கணும்டா. அப்போ இது வந்து equal to 0 இருக்கணும். 4y minus 4 lambda minus 16 is equal to 0 na. Sir, lambda is equal to obviously 4 sir. Va anna va. Super sir. So next, coefficient of x square and y square should be equal da. So k will be equal to 3 da. Common sense Rachintu. So chinna vishayam Rachintu paru. 3 and 4 is the right answer. Very simple da. Very simple da. Idhula ennada irukku? Rocket science irukka? No sir. Simple. Okay va. Very good, very good, very good. Sir, now general form of a circle eppadi irukum sir? What is the general form of a circle? I want everyone up to listen the class and carefully listen it. Okay. Okay. So general form of a circle eppadi irukuna paru. General form of a circle. So general form of a circle paru. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is perfectly representing a circle equation. This is perfectly representing a circle equation. This is representing a circle equation. Okay, well, sir, from this, how do I generalize equation of a circle so that I can say center and radius and how do I generalize? Look at the board, everyone. Hello, Chintu. Sir, from this can I write x square plus 2gx together and y square plus 2fy together and plus c together is equal to 0. Sir, very good. எனக்கு ஒரு doubt இருக்கு சார். இப்போ பாரு. Sir, I'm adding and subtracting something here. What am I adding and subtracting? I'm adding minus g square. I'm adding plus g square, subtracting g square, adding g square. Pardon? Sir, why are you adding g square, subtracting g square? Why are you adding f square? Why are you subtracting f square? Sir, how you got an idea to add and subtract g square? Okay, wow. Sir, இப்போ இந்த equation பாரு, coefficient of x என்னடா 2g, இதில் half என்னடா g, இதுக்கு square என்னடா g square. Why are we doing this? இப்படி பண்ணா so that I can write these three terms as what? These three terms can be written as what are chi into, tell me that chi into x plus g whole square. Va anna va. Y plus f whole square. Va anna va. Sir, can I shift everything that side? Va anna va. Look at the board, everyone. Shifting all these three terms to the right hand side. Super anna, super, super sir. In the three terms I'm shifting to the right hand side. அப்படி ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணா எனக்கு இப்படி வந்துருச்சுடா. Isn't it looking like center radius form டா? Center radius form மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்லையா? நிஜமா சொல்றா சிண்டு. Tell me. Okay வா. Yes or no? Chintu r square na basically பாட்டா r square வேணும்னா we need to do what? R square root of this. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Am I correct or not? Tell me. 100% clear. This can be written as this. Okay. இப்போ radius என்ன? So compare with this center என்ன? அப்போ center என்ன பாரு? Center is basically minus g comma minus f. And radius என்ன? Square root of r. R means what? Square root of this. Square root of g square plus f square minus c. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Yes or no da? Do you agree with my point? Yes or no da? Simple sir. Sir, center வந்து minus g comma minus f, radius வந்து square root of that. Yes or no guys? R square is this basically. R square is this. R square is this is nothing but if you, even you don't write, it doesn't make a difference. Sir, I don't want to write this sir. Chuma, I just want to write. R square is equal to this. R is equal to what? Square root of this. Simple logic. Hello. Chintu. I'll tell you one thing da. Pari. Namalukku, what is this center here? Tell me. Center pari. Center. What is center? Observe this. Everybody. Center is what basically? Minus coefficient of x by 2. Wait. We'll write in the next slide. Okay va. Center வேணும்னா c பாரு. நம்மளுக்கு x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. இதுக்கு center na minus coefficient of x by 2. Okay va. Minus coefficient of y divided by 2. Okay va. If you want me to give an example for x square plus 2x square plus 2y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. What is the radius and center? Tell me now. Okay wow. First divide with 2 on both sides. அப்படி divide பண்ண என்ன வரும்? Standard general formula convert ஆயிரும் பாரு. Plus 2x minus 3y plus 9 divided by 2 is equal to 0. What is the center? Center என்னடா? Minus coefficient of x by 2. Coefficient of x என்ன? 2. அதில் half என்ன? 1. So minus half. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Minus half. And what is this? 3 by 2. Okay, what you need to do basically, coefficient of x half with opposite side. Either half என்ன? 2 half என்ன? 1. இங்க plus na இங்க minus. Coefficient of y என்ன? minus 3. Other half என்ன? minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 na அதுக்கு opposite side plus 3 by 2. இது center. அப்போ radius என்ன sir? What is the radius? Radius வேணும்னா minus g square, which means minus 1 square plus f square minus 1 whole square. என்னடா இது? Okay. Minus f square minus c 9/2 இது சால்வ் பண்ண நமக்கு ஐடியா வந்துடா பாரு சார் 1 plus 9/4 minus 9/2 you simplify this whatever the radius you get that is the answer. Any doubts? Any doubts? இப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணணும். Yes or no? இப்படி you need to identify the center and radius. Guys இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கிற சர்க்கிளோட சென்டர் என்ன இருக்கும்னா minus g, minus f. g னா என்ன? coefficient of x. f னா என்ன? coefficient of y. I mean half of the coefficient of x is g, half of the coefficient of y is what basically f. Okay, இங்க plus இருந்தா இங்க minus வந்துரும், plus இருந்தா minus வந்துரும். You take coefficient of x, other half with opposite sign. Coefficient of y half அதுக்கு opposite sign எடுத்தா நமக்கு center வந்துரும். இங்க plus na minus, minus la plus. Radius என்ன? இதுக்கு square minus c வந்துரும். So this is the radius. Cool? Very very simple sir, very simple. Yes sir. Sir sir எனக்கு ஒரு doubt இருக்கு sir. ஒரு question solve பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Shall we do one question sir? Okay, we'll do one question. In the question part, JEE 2023 question da. What they have given in this question, I'll tell you. Consider the circle this. Consider the circle this. Guys, puridada. What is the equation of a circle? Purida. Consider the center of the circle. Consider a circle this. Let its mirror image in the line. The mirror image in the line is be another circle this. Let r be the radius of circle number 2, then alpha plus r n. Very good question da. So mirror image, first mirror image concept namakku theriyanu da. So we should know the mirror image concept. What is the mirror image concept? Listen in the class. Okay va sir, mirror image concept enna sir? Mirror image concept, mirror image concept how many of you know da? Straight line la neenga padichirpinga da already சரியா? Sir for example in the point x comma y இருக்குடா, in the point to the image you are finding in the line. This is mirror. Let's say the ax is the line enna? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In the point to the mirror image is p dash, our name enna? Alpha comma beta, and this length and this length both are equal to each other, and this is foot of perpendicular here. Let's say the q point. Okay va sir, q is the foot of perpendicular. In the p pointed image or in a p dash, and the p dash எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா இமேஜ்க்கு டைரக்ட் ஃபார்முலா இருக்குடா. இந்த x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times of ax1 plus, we take this point as x1 comma y1 da. We take this point as x1 comma y1, by1 plus c divided by square root of வராது, சும்மா a square plus b square வந்துரும். நம்மளுக்கு ஆல்பா கமா பீட்டா வேணும்டா. ஆல்பா கமா பீட்டா மீன்ஸ் here x and y, x1 தெரியும் y1 தெரியும்டா. abc values they have given in the question. ஓகேவா, நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணனும்? x y ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா, இந்த பாயிண்டோட இமேஜ் இந்த லைன்ல, இந்த பாயிண்டோட இமேஜ் in this mirror is this. ஆல்பா கமா பீட்டா எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? So which standard? This is 11th standard ready. 11th standard Pratap Astra production. சரியா சார்? மீ நோ பிரதாப், ஐ நோ என்னடா சார் மீ நோ என்னடா இது? வாட் டு யூ மீன் பிரதாப்? சார் டு யூ நோ மீ? தட்ஸ் கரெக்ட் வே ஆஃப் ஆஸ்கிங். சார் மீ நோ என்ன இது? I know Pratap. I know you. Sir, test இருக்கு. No problem Pratap. It's okay Pratap. சும்மா சொல்றடா. Yes. கத்துக்கலாம். ஓகேவா பிரதாப்? Okay sir. இங்க பாரு. Let a circle C is this. Let its mirror image in the line is this. Be another circle this. Let R be the radius of C2. Then alpha plus R enna. Okay va. Consider a circle is this. Okay. First, what am I doing? Listen the class. This is a very, very good question. Okay. First, let me divide into two parts. Okay. Circle now. This is a circle. Okay. First, let us find out what is C1. Center and what is center here? Okay. C1 is this basically. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus alpha plus 5 is equal to 0. What is center? What is center? 2, 1. Pari, half of the coefficient of x and y with opposite signs. Coefficient of x la half enna minus 2 with opposite sign 2. Coefficient of y enna 2 other half enna 1 with opposite sign. Yes or no? Okay, wow. Yes. Hi Akash. Okay. Sir, in the point enna sab mirror mein pari. 2, 1 2, 1 in the line. What is the line? And this is the center of another circle. Purida. Guys, it is C1 circle, center 1 of the circle number 1 is your mirror image in this line. Which line? The line name is what? Basically y. You can write this as 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. In the point or image over here, tell me what is image? What is image? You image kandipudikkanada. Image kandipudicha namalku varuma paru. Image kandipudukka theriyuma theriyadha. Tell me how do you find out x minus x1? X1 is 2 divided by a is 2 is equal to y minus y1 divided by b is equal to minus 2 times of 2 to 4 minus 1 plus 1 divided by a square plus b square, which is 5. This cancel arunda. Sir, x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to y minus 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 8 by 5, sir. Sir, this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Equate panano. X minus 2 divided by minus 8 by 5. Okay, 1 minus y divided by 1 is equal to minus 8 by 5. So tell me here. Minus 16 by 5. So minus 22 by 5. Check. Minus 16 by 5 plus 2. Minus 6 by 5. Minus 16 by 5 plus 2. Okay, correct only. Y. What is y coordinate? Tell me. Y coordinate is basically what? 1 plus 1 by 8. So 13 by 5. Y is what? Basically 13 by 5 I am getting. Any doubts? Pratap ji is saying answer 2. Very good, Pratap. But let us see whether it is right or not, Pratap ji. Okay. What is this? Your image is this. Minus 6 by 5, y by 13 by 5. In the point or image in the line, in the point, which is this point, center of the circle number 1. Center of the circle number 1 or image in this mirror is this. Yes or no? This x1, y1 is a, b, c. In the formula substitute panna. This munnadi formula irundhuchu. In the formula image formula. In the formula substitute panna namalukku x, y இது வந்துச்சுடா. So this is the mirror image now. Okay. Okay guys. Very good. Sir, now இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தெரியணும்? We should know the radius. Radius is what? Radius R is the radius of C2. Okay. We'll find out the radius of our circle. Okay, we'll do one thing. Radius of circle number 1. Square root of g square, which is 4 plus 1 minus c. Minus c means what? Minus of minus plus minus 5. So c1 is equal to, I am getting it as what? Root alpha. This is c1 order radius. Okay, wow. This is circle radius root alpha I am getting. Radius of the first circle. Okay, wow. Okay, very good, sir. Namalukku radius of the second circle enna, tell me. Radius of the second circle be R. R is the radius of the circle number 2. Okay, what is R? Tell me. R is what? First we need to find out center of this. Center find out பண்றதுக்கு first we need to manipulate the second circle. Second circle என்னடா பாரு, C2 என்ன, C2 how do you write? We need to see coefficient of x square and y square என்ன 5 5 இருக்குடா. So divide with 5 on both sides. Okay வா, divide with 5 பண்ணா என்ன வரும், x square plus y square minus 5x 5fx 5gy plus 36 by 5 is equal to 0. Okay, wow. What is the center? What is the center? Tell me, da. What is the center? Tell me. Actually, this is the center now. Tell me. What is this? Minus G. See, ipo idhula podanu. That's it. That's it. Look at the board, everyone. In the center, in the point order image in this line is this. In the center is over here. In the center, idhula potukalama. Paru minus G, minus F place la pot enna varum. X square plus y square minus f. Minus f is what basically 13 by 5. 13 by 5. 5 5 cancel ayirunda. So 13x. Very good, sir. Next. Minus g. Minus g is what up? Plus 6y plus 36 by 5 is equal to 0. Okay, wow. Any doubts here? Tell me. Guys, minus g is minus f and minus g. This is equal to basically what? Minus g. X comma y is equal to minus g comma minus f, because this is the center of this circle. Why, sir? Because in the point of the mirror, in the point of the mirror image, in the point of the image in this mirror will be this. Now the second circular center, second circular center and minus g comma minus f. So minus g place la minus 6 by 5, minus f place la you need to put what, 13 by 5. So this is going to be what, minus 6 by 5 and 13 divided by 5. Okay, wow. Yes or no? 100% clear, sir. Now circle number 2 vandiruchu sir namalku. Second circle equation vandiruchla. C2 equation vandiruchla. C2 equation is what now? Tell me here. Radius we need to find out. Radius. Yes or no? Radius. Now namalku radius venum enna pannanum? That's it. Radius venuna 169 plus 36 minus 36 by 5. Purida ellarkum? Tell me. Do you agree with my point? Minus c. Yes ra Pratap. Pratap, very good ra Pratap. Sir, எனக்கு அப்படி வேணா சார், டைரக்டா பண்ணிக்கலாம் சார். டைரக்டா பண்ணா வந்துரும் சார். டைரக்டா பண்ணாலும் வந்துரும்டா. டைரக்டா பண்ணா வந்துரும்டா. டைரக்டா பண்ணிக்கலாம் பாரு. Center is this da. Why do we need this circle actually? We don't even need this. Okay, directly center தெரியும், center தெரிஞ்சா போதும்டா. Okay, center தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? Tell me. Radius வேணும்னா 6 by 5 whole square, so 36 by 25. And 13 by 5 na 160 by 169 by 25 minus 36 by 5. Correct or not? Sir, if calculate panna enna sa vandrum? LCM is 25 da. 36 plus 169 minus 180. Okay, wow. So minus 11. So root 25 by 25. So in a R value 1 vanditirukida. I got R value as 1. R value is 1 da. Yes or no da? R value 1, then alpha value enna da? Alpha value enna vandru pari. Tell me. What is alpha value is going to be? Because I found the radius as alpha. Hi Ra, Madan Sudan. Madan, very good Madan. Hi Madan. Tell me, any doubts? Shall we go forward? Radius vandiruchu, and the radius enna? Radius of the second circle is 1. The radius of the circle number 1 is what? Root alpha. They are asking us to find out root alpha plus r. What is root alpha, sir? What is root alpha? We should know the root alpha value now. Tell me, what is the root alpha? How do you find out that? I am Vidyal best student. Yes, Pratap, I know Pratap. Rana Pratap. Ruddha Pratap Singh. I know Rajintu. I know Rajintu. Check. Yes, very good Ra, very good Ra. Why, sir? Look at the board, everyone. Guys, this distance will be equal to this distance. Both the distances will be equal. Are thambi? This distance will be equal to this distance because this is a mirror image. இப்போ இவரோட ரேடியஸ் என்னடா ரூட் ஆல்ஃபா, இவரோட ரேடியஸ் என்ன 1. ஓகேவா, இது r basically. ஓகேவா, here root alpha and r both will be equal da, root alpha and r will be equal, this is equal to r basically. ஓகேவா, root alpha and r both will be equal because of the mirror. Okay, mirror image. Sir, the one both will be 1 da, both will be equal to 1. So alpha plus r is equal to what da, basically 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. 2 is the answer. Very good. 2 is the right answer. Madana Sundar, first you need to watch the recap da. You just joined the class and you're asking me to teach it again. Please do watch the recording again da, please. Okay va, we have idhukku munadi we need to know the image concept da. Image concept I have taught. You just joined and asking me to teach everything na konjam eppadi da. Okay va, இது image formula, இந்த formula தெரியணும்டா. இந்த formula தெரிஞ்சிச்சுனா இந்த circle number 1 ஓட center ஓட image இந்த லைன்ல இது வந்துருச்சுடா. So now what am I doing? Now we are finding the radius of the circle number 2. Radius of the circle number 2 is 1. So radius of the circle 2 is 1. Appo radius of circle number 1 is root alpha. Root alpha and r both will be equal because of the mirror image. So 1 and 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 is the answer. Okay, so that's how we do that. Next concept guys, point circle. Sir, point circle enna sir? Point circle enna basically? So for example, radius is what da? G square plus f square minus c, right? Radius is equal to 0, we call it as a point circle. Point circle. Okay, if radius greater than 0, we call it as a real circle. If radius is lesser than 0, we call it as an imaginary circle. Imaginary circle. Any doubts? I told you correct answer. Va Anna, va Pratap. Very good, Pratap. Sir, how are you, sir? Seeing you after a long time from 2026 KNMS batch completed school now. Virat, hi Virat. What is your name by the way? Fine. Yes. Diamond. Okay, so what is radius here? Tell me. Where radius is what? In this case, what is the radius? Radius is going to be what? Square root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the radius. Okay, va. Purida. Okay. Yes. So this is what a basic concept. So next pathina diametric form da. Diametric form of a circle is very important da. Sir, when do we use this diametric form? How do we use this diametric form? Okay va, diametric form eppadi use pananum, enga use pananum, I'll tell you that. Guys, this is the diametric form of a circle with end points of the diameter are this. Sir, eppadi sir in the diametric form eppadi vandiruchina paru? Okay, yes, look at the board everyone. Guys, this is a circle. Let's say end points of diameter and law. Let's say these are the 2 points. The P point x1 comma y1, the Q point which is x2 comma y2. Let me say any point over here. Let me say this as a comma b. Okay, let me take this as a comma b. A comma b. Okay, wow. So we are finding what basically the point P, right? Let's say the point P is x comma y. Okay, wow. Yes or no? If I join these two, tell me PA and PB. PA and PB, what? AB is the diameter. A is the end point of diameter. B is also end point of diameter. So P and PB both will be perpendicular. So can I say that slope of PA into slope of PB will be is equal to -1. Yes or -1 இருக்கணும். அரே slope of P and slope of PV product பண்ணா நமக்கு -1 வரணும்டா. ஏனா both are perpendicular to each other. When two lines are perpendicular to each other, our product of the slopes will be equal to -1. Correct? Hi Divyesh. அரே Divyesh babu. எப்படி இருக்கீங்கடா Divyesh? Sir, tell me y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? Slope of PA and slope of PA na. So y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1, anything you write. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 divided by y1 minus this. Okay, but idanada x2 minus x by y2 minus y is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply panna answer vanduda pare. X minus x1 minus, I'm taking minus common here. X minus x2 is equal to minus of what? Y minus y1, y1 minus y, y2 minus y. Okay, wow. X minus x1. So why are you writing x1 minus x here and x minus x1 here? I'm taking minus common here. Then what happens? That will be equal to same only. Sir, you write over here, nothing will happen. You write like this. I'm just finding the slope. Right? Are you clear, Chintu? Yes, sir, we are clear. X minus x2 in the minus right hand side, left hand side one y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Puridada. Check. Any doubts? Yes or no? Yes. ரொம்ப ஜாலியா இருக்கீங்கடா திவ்யேஷ். திவ்யேஷ் இஸ் ரொம்ப ஜாலியா இருக்காங்கடா. என்ஜாய் பண்றாங்க திவ்யேஷ். Yes. So this is what the diametric form of a circle da. எப்படி சார் எப்படி ப்ரூவ் பண்றதுனா slope of this guy and slope of this guy, product of the slopes of two perpendicular lines will be equal to minus 1. I'm using that concept. And the concept panna we can prove this. Idana basically proof. Proof. Cool. Very good, sir. So when do we use this form? When do we use this form? Whenever diametric form, whenever the endpoints of diameters are mentioned somewhere in the question, appo in the formula use pannom. x1 y1 x2 y2 is x comma y. Okay, well, PA oda slope PB oda slope will be perpendicular to each other. I mean, both will be opposite to each other in sign. Ye na perpendiculars. PA PB are perpendicular to each other. So our JEE 2027 question solve பண்ணிக்கலாமா? 2027 கிடையாது, sorry, 2024. Sir, 2027 எப்படி சார்? 2024 பாரு. Sir, in the question பாத்தீங்கன்னா 4 distinct points, this, they lie on the circle for what value of k? Okay வா? Sir, இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு, everybody look at the board. Everyone. Where did you join Radivyesh? Where did you join Radivyesh? Tell me Radivyesh. Divyesh babu. Okay, wow. Circle is passing through these points. Check. Circle is passing through 0, 0 and 1, 0 and 0, 1 and some other point called k, 2k or 2k, 3k. Okay, wow. Sir, circle is passing through these 4 points. The center will be the midpoint. Center is not a midpoint. See, if I just draw the diagram, this is how it looks like. The origin is 1, 0, 0, 1, k, 2k. Sir, if I join these 2 points, what is this? If I join these 2 points, then if I join these 2 points, what is this going to be? This should be diameter. This should be the diameter. Are you getting the point? This is O. This is A, this is B, you can say C. Okay, well, CA, AC is a diameter. AC is equal to what diameter? Diameter. AC is the diameter is nothing but what? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 formula apply pannu is equal to 0. Pardon? Sir, x square minus x plus y square minus y is equal to 0, sir. Now tell me here, and he is saying that k, 2k, 3k is also lying on the circle. This is the circle equation now. This is a circle equation. K, 2k, 3k lies over here. 2k, 3k lies now is what happens now? 4k square minus 2k. Y means what? 3k, 9k square. So 13k square minus 5k is equal to 0. இப்போ k காமன் எடுத்து என்ன வரும்டா 13k minus 5 is equal to 0 and இதில் k value 0 or k value can be what 5 by 13. k cannot be 0 டா. இப்போ k value 0 எடுத்து இந்த பாயிண்ட் b பாயிண்ட் என்ன 0, 0 0, ஆல்ரெடி இங்க இருக்குடா. how can 0, 0 be plotted in two different places? 0, 0 ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கு. இப்போ k 0 எடுத்தா b யும் 0 ஆயிரும். so k 0 எடுக்க கூடாது, k 5 by 13 எடுக்கணும். so c for Chintu Vala is the right answer. yes or no? அப்படியா? ஓகேடா. நல்லா படிடா தம்பி. ஓகேவா? நல்லா இல்லை சார், இதையும் நல்லா இல்லை சார். சார் ஏன் சார் பிளேயிங்கா இது நல்லா இருக்கா? நோ சார். ஓகே, இப்படிதான் நல்லா இருக்கு. ஓகேப்பா, எஸ் ஆர் நோ டெல் மீ. எஸ் ஆர் நோ மை டியர் Chintus? Shall we go forward? Yes. Yes, guys, this is a beautiful question. Okay, wow, this is the beautiful question, Dapari. This question says what tangents drawn from the point this 1,8 to the circle this touch the circle at the points A and B. Find the equation of the circumcircle of the triangle PAB. Sir, now I'll do one thing. There is a point called P 1,8. From this point we are drawing two tangents to the circle. Okay, wow. From these points we are drawing two tangents to the circle. This is tangent. Okay, wow. Okay, very good, sir. In the circular center, what they have given? In the circular center, now -3, 3,2. This is the center. Okay, wow. This is the center and this is the point of contact. Okay, wow. Okay, sir, ipo idanada center this is A, is B, and if I join these two, this is what I'm going to get. Sir, ipo neenga correct pathina, we need to find out what circumcircle. If you see circumcircle of triangle PAB, guys, circumcircle of triangle PAB will be passing through the center of the given circle. Yena pare. Why it is like that, sir? Circumcircle of this triangle PAB will be passing through the center of the circle. Center of the circle given to us. Pare. This will be passing through the center of the circle. Pare. This circumcircle will be passing through the center of this. Why? Because if I join these two, listen the class, everybody, if I join these two P and C point, here PC is the center. PC is what basically? PC is the center of, PC is the diameter of the circle. Why diameter? Angle in a semicircle will be 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees then irukkum. Tangent A point kita tangent irukira, tangent is meeting at A point. Appo A point kita 90 தான் இருக்கும். So 90 na angle in a semicircle. இப்போ PC வந்து semicircle இருக்கணும்டா. PC வந்து semicircle இருக்கணும் கண்டிப்பா. PC semicircle இருந்தா, sir, this is going to be what now? Tell me. PC is going to be semicircle na diametric form I can use. So here PACB is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, PACB is a cyclic quadrilateral. If it is a cyclic quadrilateral, what happens? Opposite angles or sum should be 90 degrees. I mean 180 degrees. But A and B or angles pathina 90 90 180. Are you getting the point or not with me? Sir, opposite angles or sum 180 irukanu because of the cyclic quadrilateral. Sir, now circumcircle of triangle PAB is passing through the center of the given circle. This is a beautiful point. Listen to the class. This circumcircle passing through the center of the given circle. Sir, now correct PC is what, sir? Diametric form can I use this? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus. This is the circumcircle equation. In the circular equation, this is the equation of circumcircle equation. Okay, wow. Circumcircular equation. Equation of circumcircle. Equation of circumcircle. Equation of circumcircle. Yes or no? Yes, tech with bow. Okay, wow. Yes, tech. Listen to the class. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me, guys. Guys, whenever they are giving this, the circumcircle of triangle PAB, in the circumcircle means the bigger black color circle. The black color circle will pass through the center of the pink circle. Why? Because obviously, why? Because PACB is a cyclic quadrilateral. If it has to be a cyclic quadrilateral, then definitely angle in semicircle what basically 90 irukku. Appo idu I mean A angle plus B angle rendume sum panna namakku 180 degrees vandittu irukida 180. Yes or no? Definitely we can say it's a cyclic quadrilateral. Sir, PC is what basically diameter here of whom the bigger circle. PC diameter in the x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2 and the diametric form use panni I am finding the equation of circle. Purida? Yes or no? Very simple. Now yes, based on this question they have given one question. Okay, wow. இங்க பாரு ஒரு question இருக்குடா பாரு. This homework JEE 2023 பாரு. From origin we are drawing a circle பாரு. There is one circle. From origin you are drawing that. From origin you are drawing. Guys, from origin you are drawing tangents to the circle. Okay, wow. From origin you are drawing tangent to the circle and at this P and Q point these tangents are meeting at. Okay, wow. In the center of the circle enada 3 comma minus 2. Okay, wow. Now tell me, we need to find out circumcircle of triangle PAB. Circumcircle of triangle PAB venuna correcta parra re. Okay, this is how the circumcircle will be. In the red color circle equation we need to find out by using diametric form. Yes or no? The origin is 3 comma minus 2. Okay, because of the 90 degrees in semicircle, this will be what the diameter. Okay, wow. The P you can take the C. Okay, diametric form use panni in the red color circle equation find out panikla. Circumcircle means what? Circumcircle enna triangle ku mela oru circle draw panna circumcircle ayum. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sir, the PQ, the circumcircle of the triangle OPQ passes through this point. Circumcircle, see, x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y2 into y minus y1 is equal to y minus y2 is equal to what? 0. This is the circumcircle. This is passing through alpha comma 1 by 2. This circle is passing through what? Alpha comma 1 by 2. Upon alpha comma 1 by 2 will be satisfying to this. Code alpha minus 3 1 by 2 plus okay, so alpha square minus 3 alpha ఇది 1 by 2 na 1 by 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, wow. Alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 5 by 4 is equal to 0. 4 alpha square minus 12 alpha plus 5 is equal to 0. 20 means 10 into 2 pananu. 10 into 2 pananu. Yes or no da? Factorize pananu avladha. Factorize, correct? Did I write? 3 is not visible properly. 3 is not visible properly. Okay va, idanada minus 3 alpha. This solve panna namalku enna vanduda paru. So this will be giving us 2 alpha values. Okay va, alpha value 1 by 2 obviously and 5 by 2. Yes or no, 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. 1 by 2 and 5 by 2 should be the answer. But 1 by 2 kadiyadu option la, 1 by 2 is not available. 5 by 2 irukku. So C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. Chuma simple part da. Here OPCQ. OPCQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. Because it is a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite sides of angle will be sum panna 180 degrees vandru. Sir, angle in semicircle is 90 degrees na. OC kandipa diameter aganu. In the OC diameter irundhalave I am using the diametric form. Diametric form use panna namalku red color circle equation vandiruchida. In the red color circle is passing through 1 comma, I mean alpha comma 1 by 2. Answer done. Super ah? Yes or no? So this is not available, but this is available. So 5 by 2 is the right answer. Check. Both are available. Both are correct here. Idiyu correct. But 5 by 2 is available. I am going for 5 by 2. 5 by 2 madek available is options la. That's why we are ticking 5 by 2. Sariya? Any doubts? Very good, sir. Very good. Next pathina. Okay. Any doubts yet, sir? Can you put high weightage chapters next? Yes. Kandipa high weightage chapter. The high weightage chapter only we are doing da. Everything is high weightage chapter only. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna give one beautiful note. I'm gonna give one more beautiful note. Listen to the class. Okay. Note. Important note pare. Guys, for example, we got the diametric form. As x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay va. Guys, ipo neenga correct ah pathina, here we have one trick. Enna trick sir? Okay va, what is the trick? Sir? This is the quadratic equation with the roots. Quadratic expression with root with x1 and x2 roots. This is the quadratic equation with roots what? With y1 and y2 roots. Okay va. Sir, ipo namalku, see, listen the class. If I give an equation, I mean if I give the question like find the equation of a circle with 2 quadratics, how do you form it? Listen the class. Guys, find the equation of a quadratic with 2 quadratic means what do I do? Listen the class. I'll give one question. Guys, if the abscissa, everybody look at the board. If the abscissa of 2 points of P and Q on a circle be the roots of this, and the ordinates of point P and Q be the roots of this. If PQ is the diameter of the circle, then PQ is the diameter of the circle this, then the value of A plus B minus C. At a simple logic da, there are 2 quadratics given to us, x square minus 4x plus 6. Okay va. This has 2 roots, x1 and x2. Another quadratic they have given, what is that? Y square plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay va, y1 and y2. You would see P and Q in the check, there are 2 points. P point is what? X1 comma y1. Q point is what? Basically x2 comma y2. Na solradhu purida? Sir, ipo ivoda factorization, factorize panni adukapra substitute pannikalama, direct ah pannikalama? factorize பண்ண தேவையில்லை. You don't have to factorize here. ஏனா listen to the class. If they are giving two quadratics, add both quadratics அவ்வளவுதான். பாரு circle equation என்ன பாரு, circle equation directly we can write. சும்மா add this quadratic and this quadratic அவ்வளவுதான். x square minus 4x plus 6 plus definitely this will be giving you a quadratic, this will be giving you a circle equation. பாரு LHS add பண்ண இப்படி வந்துருடா. This will automatically represent a circle equation in diametric form. Sir, factorize பண்ணி இது factorize பண்ணி diametric form யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? யூஸ் பண்ணி பாரு, கண்டிப்பா இது இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் தான் வந்துரும். இது factorize பண்ணி பாரு, இது factorize பண்ணி பாரு. our I mean and the factors you take it as x1 y1 x2 y2 and put it back in the diametric form, கண்டிப்பா இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் தான் வந்துரும். I'm saying that don't factorize and do substitute in the diametric form. அப்படி பண்ண தேவையில்ல. two quadratics கொடுத்தா two quadratics ஓட sum பண்ணா நமக்கு equation of a circle in diametric form வந்துரும். That's what I'm telling. Okay வா? Yes or no? This equation is comparing with what are this equation? பாரு, you need to compare with this. Compare with this. X square plus y square plus 2x. Plus 2x means what, sir? Plus 2y minus 7, right? Guys, everybody listen to the class. Sum, solve this. Minus 4x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 4x plus, yes or no da? 100% yes sir. சரி, இப்போ கம்பேர் பண்ண எப்படி சார் வந்துரும்? இது 2ax actually. இது 2ax. This should be 2ax. For 2a is equal to what? Minus 4. Compare with that. 2a is equal to minus 4. 2b is equal to 2. C is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 2. B value 1. C is equal to minus 1. Everything போட்டா நமக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்துரும் பாரு. இல்ல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் a plus b என்ன minus 2 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, I'm getting answer as 0, but answer is not correct. A plus b minus c. A plus b minus c. Check where is a mistake happened. Is there any mistake I made in the calculation? B value 1 is C value minus guys, C value guys, definitely there is a mistake in the question. Not mistake in the question, there is a mistake in the calculation. Sir, inga plus 6 வராது sir, minus 6 வரணும் sir. இந்த plus 6 வரக்கூடாது sir. அப்போ இது என்ன ஆயிரும் sir? இது plus 6 வரக்கூடாது. அப்போ இது என்னடா minus 13 தானே இது. இப்போ C value என்னடா minus 13 sir. C value minus 13. Okay, by everything you put it over here, you will get the answer. That's it. Put it back here. Minus 2 plus 1 minus of minus 13. 12 is the right answer. 12 is matching with option A. Option A is the right answer. Tell me guys. Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sanja Pravartate. Tell me Kausalya ji. Hello Kausalya ji. Tell me. Make it fast. Tell me. Kausalya ji, tell me ji. Here everyone. Guys, if you have been given with the two quadratics, this is the quadratic with the roots x1 and x2, this is the quadratic with roots y1 and y2. Guys, இப்போ ஒரு quadratic நமக்கு தெரியுமா தெரியாது? Tell me. ஒரு quadratic expression க்கு alpha and beta are the roots na, x minus alpha into y minus beta. Can I write like this? Can you write like this? Same logic I'm applying here. Either quadratic with the roots x1 and x2, either quadratic in terms of y with roots y1 and y2. ये ரெண்டுமே சம் பண்ணா நமக்கு ரெண்டு quadratic ஓட summation is what? A diametric form of a circle. Okay, பாரு, இந்த quadratic ரெண்டுமே சம் பண்ணா நமக்கு ஒரு quadratic, I mean ஒரு circle equation in diametric form வந்துரும். This equation if I compare with this guy, அப்போ a value, b value, c value வந்துருச்சுனா substitute பண்ணா நமக்கு minus 12. So 12 வந்துட்டு இருக்கும். 12 வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. Yes or no? Yes. Next concept, sir. Intercepts made by a circle. Sir, intercept made by circle means what? Intercept made by circle means what, sir? Let the circle equation be. Let the circle equation be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let us say this is the circle equation da. Okay. Sir, intercept made by circle enna paru. This is the y axis, sir, and this is the x axis, sir. Okay, this is x axis. Okay, namalku by this is the okay, this is the y axis, the y axis is the x axis. Let me say one thing, guys. Okay, this x axis is y axis. என்னடா இது வர மாட்டேது. ஓகே சார், கொஞ்சம் மேலே போயிடுச்சு சார் இது. अरे यार, please understand this. Why this is not okay, guys? Simple rough diagram, pari. Yes. Okay. Anyway, listen the class. Okay, this is y axis. This is x axis. Let me say this point is what basically x1 comma y1. x1 comma y1 ఇది x1 comma 0. Kandipa sir, good evening sir, good evening sir, late to class, sorry sir, no problem Mani Bharati, you can watch the recording Mani Bharati. What is a point is going to be, tell me here, what is a point? This is, let's say, the a point, the b point is x1 comma 0, is x2 comma 0, y coordinate will be 0, right guys? Here AB is x intercept, basically intercept nana, basically here AB is x intercept. Now tell me then C is the D. C point is what basically 0 comma y1, இதனா 0 comma y2. ஓகேவா சார்? இப்போ AB length என்ன இருக்குன்னு பாரு. AB length என்ன, x2 minus x1. AB length என்ன, x2 ல இருந்து x1 subtract பண்ணா நமக்கு AB வந்துரும். இது என்னடா, tell me what is this length? இது y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. புரியுதா? Here x intercept is what basically, x intercept is basically AB. That is AB length. That is x2 minus x1. சார் நம்மளுக்கு இப்போ இந்த சர்க்கிளுக்கு மேல தான் a and b பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு. இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு x intercept வேணும்னா y coordinate 0 போடு. y value 0 போட்டா நமக்கு என்ன வரும் பாரு. Put y value 0. Put y value 0. Y value 0 போட்டா 0, sorry, x square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. இதுக்கு என்னடா, we need difference of the roots. This has two roots, x1 and x2. difference of the roots எனக்கு வேணும். Difference of the roots when quadratic formula theriyada. Difference of the roots when square root of d by a than formula. Yes sir. Square root of d means what sir? B square minus 4ac. Okay sir, 4 value vandiruchina g square minus c. This is what our x-intercept formula. X-intercept formula is this. Similarly, if you solve it, the y-intercept panna namalukku square root of f square minus c vandrum. Okay va? This x-intercept is y-intercept. If somebody is asking you to find out x-intercept of circle, in the formula use pannanu. Y-intercept of a circle in the formula use pannanu. Correct? Correct or not? If y-intercept prove pannanu paru, modulus will come modulus will come because of the root, because of the difference we are taking. Difference and x2 minus x1, right? Distance cannot be negative, right? So x2 minus x1 podakudadu chumma. We don't know what is x1 and x2, right? So in general, whenever you take modulus, that means that we are representing it as an absolute value. That means what? That means what? That means that we are taking it as absolute value because distance can't be negative. Simple. Okay. Similarly, namalku y-intercept venadu enna paranu, in the circle x value 0 podum because c and d points x coordinate enna 0 dana, and the 0 idhula pota namalku innor quadratic vandrum in terms of y. Appo y1 y2 will be the roots for that. Appo y1 minus y2 panna namalku square root of d by 4 d by a, same 2f square minus 4f square minus 4c by 4c vandrum. So 4 common f square minus c vandrum. So this is the y-intercept. Okay va? இது x-intercept, இது y-intercept. Sir, ஒரு example கொடுங்க sir. பாரு, ஒரு question பாரு. x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 8 is equal 0. இது ஒரு இது ஒரு circle equation da. What is x-intercept? Tell me. X-intercept. What is from this? What is g and f value? G comma f value. Tell me. G value is 2 comma minus 3. I'm not saying minus g comma minus f. I'm saying g comma f. G is 2, f is minus 3. X-intercept we know 2 into square root of g square. G square means what of 4 minus of minus plus. Sorry, minus of c. C is what 8. So answer now 2 times of minus 4. This can be intercept can be non-real as well. Are you getting the point? Look at the board, everyone. Sir, y-intercept is what? 2 into f square, which is 9 minus c, which is 8, which is basically directly 2. Purida? Are you clear, guys? Ellarkum purida? X-intercept is 2 into root minus 4. Are you getting the point? Non-real. We are getting non-real x-intercept. X-intercept, y-intercept can be non-real as well, guys. This is non-real actually. Okay, wow. You can write this as non-real. You can write this as what? Non-real. Is it non-real? Correct or not? Yes or no? Very good, sir. Very good. Very good. Super, sir. Next. Check, I have given this. Intercept made by a circle. This is x-intercept. This is y-intercept. Purida? Clear or not? So intercept made by a circle may always be non-negative. I mean, are always non-negative. Okay, wow. Non-negative intercept made by a circle may be non-real. Intercept whichever we get will be always non-negative, but sometimes we may get intercepts as non-real as well. So keep that in mind, like we did in the previous question. Okay. Guys, one note, very important note. This is important. Very important. Sir, in a note, sir, when circle touches x-axis, when circle touches x-axis, what happens? Tell me. X-intercept is 0 here. X-intercept is x-intercept is equal to 0 here. Okay, why x-intercept enada? X-intercept will be is equal to 0. Y-intercept will be is equal to 0. Okay, why x-intercept is equal to 0 means what? 2 times of square root of g square minus c will be equal to what? 0. Upon g square is equal to c, then our condition. Okay, wow. Upon center and narrow, what is the center here? Tell me. What is the center? Center will be equal to what? This is the radius. Radius and square root of g square plus f square minus c. When circle touching the x-axis, g square is equal to f square. Both are same. Upon this cancel paniklama. G square is equal to both are same. But g square and g square place a c pota c cancel. So what I'm gonna get? Tell me. I'm gonna get what? Radius is equal to mod f. Radius is equal to what? Modulus of f. Okay, wow. Radius is going to be what? Modulus of f. Radius is going to be what? Modulus of f. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? சூப்பர். Yes, Ra, Virat Kohli. Yes, Virat Kohli. நல்லா இருக்கடா. Sir, when circle is touching the y-axis, when the circle touching the y-axis means what happens, Bari? Y-intercept will be 0. Y-intercept 0 and 2 times of this will be 0. Upon f square will be equal to c. We know the radius in g square plus f square minus c. Upon f square and this will be cancelled and this will be modulus of g. So our radius is going to be what now? The radius of the circle is going to be modulus of g. Whenever circle touches the y-axis, radius is going to be modulus of g. Whenever circle touches the x-axis, radius is going to be modulus of f. Beautiful concept. Listen to the class. When the circle touches both x and y-axis, when the circle touches both x and y-axis means eppadi paru? Appo x-intercept, y-intercept both are equal to 0. Okay, appo radius and eruda. What is radius? Tell me. What is your name, Virat Kohli? 11F and 12E classes. We are missing you, sir. What is your name, Rachintu? What is your name? This is radius and radius, obviously. This is also radius, this is also radius. Radius, when x is touching what now? When a circle is touching the x-axis, when the circle is touching the x-axis, radius is going to be what? Modulus of f. Circle touching y-axis means modulus of g. Sir, then this is going to be modulus of f, this is going to be modulus of g. Yes or no? This is what the story is all about. Tell me. Ellarkum purinjichaliya? Did you people understand all this? Super. Hi, Sujan. Oh, Sujan. Hi, Sujan. Look at the board. Yes. Sir, one question paathikalama. Yes. One question paatha idea vandana pare. Yes. In the question pare means 2022 question. Sir, circle this where C belongs to real number, passes through the point this, and center lies on this, then the length of the intercept made by the circle on the x-axis. Length of the intercept made by the circle on the x-axis, which means to find what I need to find out. To find இது find out பண்ணணும். X-intercept length we need to find out. First, இங்க பாரு. இந்த circle diagram draw பண்ணி. Okay, why circle diagram? Okay, wah. And the center lies on what? Center lies on this line. What is this line? Center in ada. Center in what is center? Center is g comma minus 3. Center is what basically g comma minus 3. Eppadi coefficient of x na minus 2g adul half enna minus g adukku opposite enna plus g plus 6y irukku adul half enna 3 ku opposite minus 3. So center of the circle is g comma minus 3. So this guy is lying on this line. X minus 2cy is equal to 8. So center lying on this line is nothing but center will satisfy to this. So G minus of minus 6 C is equal to 8. Tell me, I'm getting this one equation. And now this circle is passing to the point 6 comma 1. Tell me 6 comma 1 is satisfy 6 comma 1. 6 comma 1 is the point lying on the circle. 6 comma 1 is the point which is lying on the circle. So 6 comma 1 circle pota 36 plus 1 minus 12G plus 6 minus 19C is equal to 0 da. Okay ba, minus 12G minus 19C 37 is 43. Correct or not? I'm getting this. Now G and C values, solve these two equations buddy. Solve these two equations. This equation you multiply with what da? Otherwise you can do directly da. C value 1, G value 2. C value 1, G value 2 satisfy inga. Are you clear daddy? Day C value 1, G value 2 satisfying pari. I think C value 1 and G will be satisfying to this. Sir, how sir? Trial and error method. I'm just doing trial and error method. Okay ba. C value 1, G value 2. C value 1 put pari. Idla put ena vanduda pari. This 1, this 2. C value 1 put G value 2. So 12. Guys, 43 is equal to 43 coming up. So then definitely this is correct. Definitely this is correct. C value 1, G value 2. Okay, ba. C value 1, G value 2. C value 1, G value 2 means what is the answer? Tell me. C value 1, G value 2 da. So definitely you need to be understand guys. In the C different than in the C array. This C is different than this C. Pari. Appo C value, G value pota. Namalku circle equation da vandura. What is circle equation is going to be? Tell me. Circle equation. X square plus y square minus 2gx means 4x plus 6y minus 19 is equal to 0. Sir, if G value from this is 2 minus 2, C value is minus 19. Okay, well, C value minus 19. So what I need to find out? 2 times of G square minus F. Okay, so 2 into 4 plus 19. So 2 root 23. 2 root 23 is the right answer. Pari. So this solve panna namalku 2 root 23 varunda. 2 root 23 is the right answer. 2 root 23 is the right answer. Yes or no? Chintu, in the C is different and in the C is different. In the C is what basically question la C. In the C திருப்பி இதல substitute பண்ணா நமக்கு circle equation proper வந்துரும். In the circle equation la G கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் and constant C என்ன? Constant. So you can put this as a big C. You can take this as a big C. Okay, why the capital C is basically minus 19, G is minus 2. Okay, why in the C the formula irukra C. நம்மளோட formula irukra C enna in the constant C. In the constant C is basically total minus 19C. This is what basically capital C. Be careful here. Be careful here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes sir. One last question we will do and then we leave. Okay, wow. Circle touching the x-axis at the point this, making intercept of length 8 on y-axis. This also passes through what? Very beautiful question. Listen to the class. Circle touching the x-axis. Circle touching the x-axis at 3, 0, making intercept on length. Intercept of length 8 on y-axis. இப்படி இருக்குடா. Pari, touching at what point? 3, 0. In the total length enna 8. Center enna? Center theriyadu. We need to circle touching at this point. Sir, if a center na basically we definitely know that x coordinate of the center, x coordinate of the center is going to be what? x coordinate of the center is going to be what? Kandipa 3 3 jana idi. Okay, this total 8 means what? This total, not x coordinate is not 3 this total is 3 here. In the length is 3 from center length in the line join panna is perpendicular da, so then definitely this will be bisecting da. Okay, why the chord center length, if I draw a perpendicular on any chord that will be bisected. Appo idan da in the length 4, in the length 4. Okay va, in the length 4. Okay va, this length is 4 basically. This join pani pare, this join panna in the length theriyum, in the length theriyum da. This is going to be 5 now. What is this going to be da? 5. This is 5 or not da? This is 4, this is 3, this is 5. இது எப்படி 4 சார்? அரே சென்டர்ல இருந்து கார்டுக்கு மேல ஒரு perpendicular draw பண்ணா that will be bisected. Total 8 னா இது 4 4 ஆயிடும். So இது 4, let me say this is C, let me say this is A, let me say this is B point. Okay va sir, here C is equal to triangle BAC. In triangle BAC, definitely pare, in triangle BC is what? So BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Correct? Sir, BC is what here? Basically BC is equal to radius, that is 5. Now if you look at this properly, this is also radius. Let's say this is point called D or P point. Okay, well, here PC is also radius. PC is also radius, pare. PC is also radius, this also radius. Okay va sir, so PC is equal to 5. PC length is 5. Okay va, I got to know this length is 3, so center is 3, 5. Center is 3 length, in the length is 3, in the length is PC is radius, radius is 5. So this is 5. X coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 5. Sir, now circle equation enna pari? Circle equation enna? Center theriyum, radius theriyum da. நம்மளுக்கு center தெரியும், radius தெரியும். x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square, I mean x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to radius square. What is radius? Radius in 5 square. Tell me, this is the circle equation. Which option is satisfying to this? என்ன option satisfy ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு பாருடா. இதுக்கு என்ன option satisfying பாரு? 3, 5 satisfying 3, 5 no, 3, 10 yes, 3, 10 is satisfying. So option A is the right answer. Okay va, 3, 10 is satisfying. Option A matching. Option A satisfying. Satisfying. So option A is the right answer. புரியுதா? எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சிச்சா இல்லையா? Tell me guys. 3, 10 is satisfying. 3, 10 போட்டு பாரு. 3, 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 10 minus 5. 5 whole square is equal to 5 square. 25 is equal to 25. புரியுதாடா? Super question ரே. Beautiful ஆன question. So நம்மளுக்கு diagram எப்படி draw பண்றது ப்ராப்பரா தெரியணும். Diagram draw பண்ணல தெரியலனா ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாயிடும். பாரு, circle touching x axis, y intercept க்கு மேல 8 units இருக்கு. Sir, சென்டர்ல இருந்து இப்போ perpendicular draw பண்ணா that will be chord will be bisected. So total 8 means இது 4 ஆயிடும். இந்த length 4, இந்த length 3, அப்போ இந்த length என்ன? Hypotenuse என்ன ஆயிடும்டா? 5 ஆயிடும். Hypotenuse is what? Radius, which is BC, and the BC means radius. PC also radius. BC and PC both are radius. Okay va, எனக்கு radius தெரியும், center தெரியும். Circle equation வந்துருச்சுனா option verify பண்ணா option A matching. That's it for today guys. Okay people, we discussed many good questions. Okay, and yes, மறக்காம channel oda Telegram group join பண்ணிக்கோங்கடா for the latest updates. Okay, so yes, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for the upcoming lectures of physics, chemistry and math. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Please do share and subscribe. If you liked it, smash out the like button. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. We'll meet in the next class. Until then, tada bye bye, good night, have a nice day. Love you all my dear chintus. Wa anna wa. Yes, எனக்கு 6